How to delete Dream11 account permanently. The first step is to go to the email of the account that you're associated with. So for me, I signed up with Dream11 with a Gmail account, so I went there. Then you're going to want to email, so in the send to section, you're going to want to type in helpdesk@dream11.com. That's the email you're going to be sending this to. Then in your subject, type in deletion request. Then what you're going to want to do is compose an email that's going to say something along the lines as what you'll see me write in here. It says, please delete my account and all the data associated with it. Then you want to put your name of your account, the email of the account that you're associated with. It should be the email you're using here, and also potentially your phone number if you want to as well. So do what I do here. Then it should be able to delete your account within, potentially it might take up to a few weeks, but leave a like, comment and subscribe if this did help you out.